Good evening. Today, my group, which is called the Five Downs, will present our group project about Smartboard. Let's begin. So at first, the admin right now we will be demonstrating how the admin will log in. So right now, as you can see, we have already inserted our admin email account and email password. So when they log in, this is the dashboard, or you can say the main page. And the last login, which is the previous login for admin, it will show on top where my mouse is. This is the last login, which is 3:13 p.m. just now. This function is not available currently for admin because this is on a development process and it's on future development. Right now, we'll go through creating course. This is one of the admin function, which is to create course and assign a tutor and students inside. Right now, I will create a name for the course and inside the team name. For example, if you have a meeting link for your course, you can just paste it here like that, and then write down a semester, for example, this, and then what year, and then this course start time and course end time will be when the course when the class is, what time the class started and what time the class end. So it will be easier for students to see when they see the course in the course list. Then right now we'll be choosing the tutor that is assigned to the course, which is Amalesh for now, and then we'll be choosing the student to assign. Right now there's only two, so we'll be choosing Chen and Kumar Elon. And then after that we'll submit. It will show create course successfully. And then when you go to a course list, if you look down, it will show the course created with the title, the course code, the time of the class, and the year of the course. Now, so if you want to have a search function, you can use the website function, which is Control F, and then type the year you want, or the course name to easy function.
Okay, it's my turn now. My name is Jeffrey. Now I want to explain about the eduser function. In the eduser function is for admin only. When the admin can create the email for the tutor and the student, and also the admin. The email must follow the email format. Cannot other format. The password has more than 6 characters. Right, 6 characters. So username, user type. User type is choose for is student, tutor, or admin. And then next is gender. Or if it is student, it will show the student ID. This one is must fill in one for the student only. For tutor and admin no need. Next about the gender. Gender. And next is about the date of birth. This one the minimum user is just can go to 100 100 years before, and then the maximum is go to the 16 years only. And also next is about telephone. Telephone is for the user telephone, and then the education level. You can select submit. Okay, next is submit. Okay, so that and then we'll pop up the successful message. Okay, after you submit it, if you the email is valid, your email will receive a message. It's called you have already be a new user in Smartboard. Okay, and then it will show your email and the password for login the Smartboard. Okay, you can back to the Smartboard and then you can try use your email account and then password to log in. Okay, okay, now you can see this one is for you in the what left down there you got your names and then your user type here. Okay, after this now is we direct go back the admin account and then we will talk about the Hing.
This is the assign personal tutor page, which allows the admin to assign a certain personal tutor like Amalish to a certain student like Chen. And then when you click submit, it will show if it's successful or not. Then it will show successfully assigns personal student to personal tutor. For demo purposes, after we successfully submitted, it will send an email to to the account. We will be using the same email account as shown. And so after clicking on the submit, an email will be sent to the person tutor. The person tutor will be informed that he have been assigned as a new personal tutor to a certain student, as shown on this message here, on the email here. Please check your dashboard for more information. Okay, that is all from my side. Now I'm gonna pass it to the next person, which is Chen.
Yeah, hi. So good evening. I'm Chen. So now I'll be demonstrating for the blog. So this page is a blog page of our Smartboard website. So this is just all previews, but there are real data inserted by users. So this blog is accessible by 3 types of users in our system. So right now, let me demonstrate like how to create a new blog. So you click the button on the right, and then you'll come to this page. So let me type in some credentials. So Yoji background for the title, and the content will be new new room. Okay, so if you click the choose file button, you'll come to this folder to choose your files. And then you'll choose all files, and then we'll select a PDF file and test and see. So right now, a PDF is not accepted by the system, so the alert message pops up. And then right now, let's choose another image. So let's try the accepted JPEG file by the system. So when you click post block, and then the block will be successfully created, and then it will automatically navigate back to the block page, and then your block will be illustrated like this sample. So that's all for me for the block. So now I'm gonna pass the presentation to my teammate.
Assign personal tutor to a student by Hing.
Okay, thank you, Chen. So now I will showing the report on the admin account. Yeah, the first report is total message. The total message will show all the total messages sent between the tutor and the student. Yeah, for the average message is the total message sent by the student and tutor, and then divide by the tutor. So here we show the student who are no interaction in the 7 day, and this one will show the student who not have login in 28 day. Yeah. So the next report will show the student who don't have the personal tutor. So for example, here I have one button which will show the student who don't have personal tutor. By using this button, we're able to redirect to the assign personal tutor page. In this page, we can select the tutor, and the student is the one pre-write by the system. Because the student has been assigned the personal tutor, so he won't be appear on here again. So we continue for the browse count. The browse count is a report the browser that used by student, admin, and tutor. So for now, the Chrome is the most used by the student and tutor and the admin. So here we show that the last two report is for active student and active tutor.
Before just now we have completed how admin will be using the system. Now let's go to our student page. Here I inserted email for student and student password and email. In here, this is how the page will show for student, where it will show when's the last login for student is. And before in this dashboard, there will be a section which will show the student their personal tutor. This function was implemented in admin, where admin will assign a personal tutor for student. So for this student, the personal tutor that was assigned is Fang. So when you click on the text box there where my mouse is, here you can initiate a conversation with your tutor. For example, let me just write down the message, and after I send, this function will take a few seconds, and then it will show there as a text box. So it will say like who's the sender, send from Chen, which is the student, and then the message is below. And this is how they will initiate the conversation with the tutor. Now, after students send their email to the tutor will get a message, email notification saying that the student have been messaged you and will give you a link to click on it to view on them. So when they click on it, it will show this page, which show them. Okay, let's go back to our page. In here, now let's go to the course list. This course list is all assigned to the student called Chen. So the one that admin created, which is energy. In here, this is the course detail where all the team link that was inserted during the course creation is here. So when you click on it, it will go to here. So in the teams link. So when the student, so it will be easier for student to join the call and join the meeting. So be the forum session. In here, right now it's empty because the admin haven't created any exercises. So okay, in the course detail, there's a forum section where the tutor will create a forum for student to answer, to participate. So when the student click on it, here's the page where the list will be. But since there's no submission yet, there's empty. Right now, let's create a submission, which is create tab. When student click on it, it will show this page where they will write down the title, the description, and upload the file necessary to the course to the forum. I mean. So in here, the file upload, student can only upload their Word file or PDF file. This is the only option. So they will choose either PDF or Word file, which is their submission, and then they will click on create button. After that, it will say create thread successfully, and you will redirect them to this page, the discussion upload page, forum upload page. And here, this is the list where the student title, when it's created, and their name, and finally the file they uploaded it will save in a local host page. So when the tutor or the student click on it, it will redirect them to another tab to show the file. So it's convenient for student tutor. They won't have to download it. They can just click on it to view on it. In this, another feature in course detail is the messages feature. This is where the student can converse with their course tutor. Just now it's a personal tutor, now it's a course tutor. So they will create a title for the message, and they will click on title and they will insert the message that they want to ask the tutor. When they send, they click on it, it says message sent successfully. And after that, after the student send the message, after they created the message, it will redirect them back to this page and they can see their message here. So when the student click on it, it will show as the previous one. It's the similar where the student name, student and tutor will be identified before the conversation start. So the message will then shown below it. In here, the student can type any message with the word limit of 1,000 words to continue the conversation if they need to add on extra questions. So when they click the send button, it will show below the previous message like this. That's it for in the course detail features.
Okay, thank you, Amalesh. So now I log in as a tutor. So the tutor account have been assigned two personal student for him. So we can see one is Chen, one is Kumar Elon. So this tutor are able to direct message the personal student. So for example, here, just now we see that the Chen have messaged his personal tutor. Now we are trying to reply back to him. In here we see that the energy cost is created by the admin account. So now we can go to the meeting link. Just now the initial meeting link maybe is wrong, so now we can update the meeting link using a new meeting link. So for the forum, you are only tutor able to create a new forum. So these are the requirement field for the tutor to enter. The due date are not available to click the select the date before today. So after the create the course the forum, we can see under the forum there. So we continue back to the energy tutorial which Jenderson have upload a new document. Yeah, we can see the document on here. Yeah, and then we can remark the marks for the course. Let's say he get the 80, and then we can insert back a new score if score is wrong.
Okay, hi, right now I'll be demonstrating the forget password function. So if you forget your password, you can press on the link. So you'll navigate to this interface, and then you'll need to insert a valid email. And then after you click submit, and then the system will say for further instructions, you have to go to your email. And right now I'm in my email. So I'll receive this email and then indicating that I click on the button and then I click on reset button, and then I'll go navigate back to the smartboard interface. And then this is the interface where you reset your passwords. So I have to type in my email and then I'll set my new password. So the button on the right hand side is for you to preview the password you type in. So after all the infos are inserted, you can click on reset password button and then your password is reset successfully. So that's all for this function. Thank you.
So that's all for our system and our presentation. Thank you for watching.